Okay, good morning. In this session, we can see the BODMAS rule. Actually, for our standards, for 4th and 5th class standard up to 5th class standard, it is enough to know DMAS. DMAS is nothing but D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So, whereas coming to the higher classes, in 6th and 7th classes, we can see about BO also. This BO is nothing but B stands for brackets and O stands for off. So, in this way, off is nothing but also multiplication. Off is also nothing but a multiplication. So, BODMAS rule. So, first we have to simplify the brackets. The examples in the brackets you have to simplify. Then, next, off. Next we have to put off. Then here division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So with the help of this BODMAS rule, we can do any simplifications. So first you have to simplify the things which are in the brackets. Either it may be a fractions or decimals or just our four fundamental operations of numerals, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. So if all these four symbols has given at a time and if he asked for simplification, then first you have to perform division, then next you have to perform multiplication and then addition, and last we have to perform subtraction. Okay, so how can you simplify these examples? Let us see. Now the first one is given here, 3 into 16 divided by 4 minus 8 plus 4. Here all the four fundamental operations we have: multiplication, division, subtraction and addition. So first you have to perform DMAS. D stands for division. So what is division here? 16 divided by 4 at division. So that the first answer is, so remaining you can write as it is, 3 into, write as it is. So perform this division. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So write down the answer as 4 minus 8 plus 4. Write as it is. Now next you have to perform division after multiplication. DMAS. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Division completed. Then afterwards multiplication. Perform multiplication. What is the multiplication we have? 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 minus 8 plus 4. Now then afterwards you have to perform addition. Addition means actually 12 minus 8 plus 4. This means this 8 is for minus 8. So plus 4 and plus 12. The nothing symbol is there in front of this 12 means it is plus 12. And addition you have to perform these two. 12 and 4 we have to add. That means you have to rearrange this one. That is 12 plus 4 minus 8. That means this you have to perform at first. Addition. Then afterwards subtraction. So 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 16 minus 8. Now here at last 16 minus 8 is 8. So this is DMAS rule. So only you have to perform like that. Or if you are not performing like that, if you are doing in different way, you will get in different answer also. For example, if you perform this 4 minus 8 or 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 if you do here, what happens is, check here. Without doing like this, if you are getting, so many members will do in different ways. Some will do multiplication in the beginning. Some will do this subtraction in the beginning. Or some will do this addition in the beginning. If we are doing in different way, each person will do in different way, will get different kinds of answers. So only we have an universal simplification rule that is known as BODMAS rule. Understand? So if you are performing in different ways, you will get different answers. But there is a universal rule for simplification of numbers. So that is known as BODMAS rule. or DMAS. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So in this way, same perform this one also. Perform the next division. So second question is here given. So how can you perform this one? So first we have to perform division in the beginning. So the division here is equal to 5 by 13 divided by 7 by 26. Division is nothing but multiplication, inverse process of multiplication. So we should write down the multiplicative inverse of the second fraction. So here it is, multiplication is there, write down the multiplication as it is, that is 2 by 5 into 5 by 4, then plus. So whenever you are doing this division, you have to perform it first. So division is the inverse process of multiplication. So write down the inverse of, multiplicative inverse of 7 by 26. So the multiplicative inverse of 7 by 26 is into 26 by 7. Simply. The multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 7 by 26 is 26 by 7. Now this is equal to, here this is multiplication, this is also multiplication. So both multiplications you can to perform at a time, no problem. So here 2 into 5 or 5 into 4, then multiplying two fractions is multiply the numerators divided by multiply the denominator. So here whenever you are multiplying like this and this can be cancelled. 5 goes on, and 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So then here also you can check again. In 5 and 7 there is no cancellation. 13 and 26, 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26. So here 1 5 is 5. Sorry, 1 1 is 1 by 1 2 is 2. 1 by 2 plus here 5 2s are 10 by 1 7 is 7. 10 by 7. So that is it. Now perform the addition of two fractions. So they are unlike fractions, convert them into like by finding the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominators is 7 and 2. The LCM of 7 and 2 is 14 because 7 and 2 are co-prime numbers. The LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. So this is equal to LCM of 7 and 2 is 14. So we are making each denominator equal to 14. So this already 14 అయిపోయింది, ఇది కూడా 14 అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 14 రాస్తాం. Okay, now when 2 becomes 14, 2 7 jar. That means if you are multiplying, we are writing the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 with a denominator equal to 14. So what is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2 with a denominator 14? If denominator becomes 14, numerator becomes, when 2 becomes 14, 2 7 jar. So numerator also should multiply with 7, 1 7 jar 7. So 7 plus, when 7 becomes 14, 7 2s are. So 7 2s are means 10 2s are also. 10 2s are how much? 20. So 20 plus 7 is equal to 27 by 14. 27 by 14 is an improper fraction, and we should write down the simplest form of 27 by 14. To get the simplest form of 27 by 14, multiply with the common factors. Take out the common factors. Why? Because in 14 and 27 we have, do we have any common factors? Because 3 is divisible. 3? No, not divisible. 14, in 14 2 is divisible, 27 3 divisible. So there is no common factor in 27 and 14. So these are co-primes, but it is not in its simplest form. It is a improper fraction. Convert this improper fraction into mixed by 14. 1 is 14. Remainder is equal to 13 b divided by 14. So 13 by 14 is the solution for this one. Like this, we can take some more examples and do here simplistic form. So for example, taking one example here of, that is 1 by 4 minus 13 by 2 of 4 by 39 plus 1 by 2. Now observe carefully here. So nothing is there here. All we have, brackets are there, off is also we have got in this example. So BO also we have got. So first you have to perform brackets. That means this you have to perform with this. So what is there in between the brackets? What we have in the brackets? 13 by 2 of 4 by 13. That means off is nothing but multiplication. Just simply. So that is equal to 1 by 4 minus 13 by 2 into 4 by 39. 4 by 39 plus half. So here whenever you are doing this one, so 13 is 13, 13 3 are 39. Simplifications. So just how can you multiply two fractions? Multiply the numerators divided by multiply the denominators. So 13 into 4 by 2 into 39. But here without writing that step we are performing. Okay, no problem. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So how much it became? 1 2s are 2 by 1 3s are 3. So 2 by 3 here you got. So that is equal to 1 by 4 minus how much you got in the bracket? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 plus half. Now what you have to perform in the here now? Addition. Addition after subtraction. What we have additions? 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 2. So all these three you can perform at a time. All these three you can perform at a time. So that is LCM of 4, 2 and 3. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4 itself because 4 is a multiple of 2. So LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So then 4 and 3. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12 because 4 and 3 are co-prime numbers. The LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. So 4 and 3 LCM is 12. So of the three numbers, the LCM is equal to 12. So we should make each denominator equal to 12. So when 4 becomes 12, 4 3s are. So 1 3s are 3. 3 plus. See here carefully. So 2. When 2 becomes 12, 2 6s are. 2 6s are means 1 6s are. 1 also should multiply with 6. So 1 6s are 6 minus 3. How many 3s are there in 12? 3 4s are. If 3 4s are means 2 also multiply with 4. 2 4s are 8. So then here observe 3 plus 6, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 by 12. So the answer is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is the simplest form. So like this, brackets of multiplication and division, whatever it may be, we have to perform that division in the beginning. Brackets you have to perform at the first, of next, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. This is known as BODMAS rule. Okay, with the help of this BODMAS rule, we can do any number of simplifications with the help of this one. So one more example we can see here in this. So that also with this we can come to a conclusion. One plus 1 by 15 minus 9 by 10 divided by 1 by 4 divided by half. 1 by 4. So now see here, whenever you are doing this one, first you have to perform the brackets. So ఇది చేసిన తర్వాత మాత్రమే డివిజన్ చేయాలి. So then this brackets. So perform this brackets and then this brackets, then only divided. Why? Because so brackets after only division. So you have to perform all the operations in the bracket. So what we have, plus and minus we have. So at a time you can do. Here also division of two fractions. That also you do every time. So that is equal to whenever you are doing this one. So 1 plus 1 means 1 by 1. So LCM of 15 and 10. For adding or subtraction of fractions, fractions should have like fractions, but these are not like, we should make them like. For making them like, we should find out the LCM of the denominators. LCM, the denominators are 15 and 10. So LCM of 15 and 10 is 15 and 10. Check here. 5 is a common factor. 5 3s are, 5 2s are. So 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 is the LCM. So make each denominator equal to 30. So 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. When 1 becomes 30, if you are multiplying 1 with 30, it becomes 30. So the numerator also should multiply with 30. So that is numerator also 1. 1 30s are 30. Plus when 15 becomes 30, That means we are converting each denominator equal to 30. This is 30, is 30, is 30. All the denominators become 30. So only we are writing 30 as a common denominator. Understood? So when this becomes 30, how can you write 1 by 15 as a denominator equal to 30? So if you are multiplying numerator and denominator with the 2, so 15 twos are, so 1 twos are 2. So 2 minus, when 10 becomes 30, that means this also we are dividing into 30. So 10 threes are, so 9 threes are, 9 threes are 27. So like this, divided by, and convert these mixing numerals into improper first. 4 1 is 4 plus 1, 5 by 4, divided by 2 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Now observe carefully. So the sum 30 plus 2, 32, 32 minus 27 is equal to 5. So that is 5 by 30 divided by, so division of fraction with another fraction. So 5 by 4 into, whenever you are changing the division symbol into multiplication, so you should write down the reciprocal of 3 by 2. Reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Just simply. So that is equal to 5 by 30 divided by 5 by 30 divided, remove the bracket. Why? Because only one fraction we have. So remove the bracket. So just we are writing 5 by 30 divided by. So how much it is? Product. So is there any cancellations? Yes. 2 1 are 2, 2 are 4. So 5 into 1, 5 by 2 into 3, 6. So 5 by 6 is the. Now divide. Divide again two fractions. How can you divide? So 5 by 30 into, whenever you are changing the division symbol into multiplication, write down the reciprocal of 5 by 6, that is 6 by 5. So that is equal to, you can cancel 5 and 5, 6, 5 are 30. So then the numerators 1 1 are 1 by 5 1 are 5. So 1 by 5 is the simplest form. 1 by 5 is in its, 1 by 5 is the simplest form of this, all this. Total at last you got the simplified form is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is a proper fraction, so keep it like that. And 1 by 5 is also a in its simplest form because 1 and 5 doesn't have any common factors. Okay? So like this BODMAS rule can be applied. Now understood everybody? So by like this, by taking different kinds of problem, you can solve and go, then everyone should get the same answer. So if you perform any wrong before subtraction, addition before multiplication before division before off and off before brackets, like that. So first you have to perform brackets. BODMAS, BODMAS. This is the rule. So observe carefully, and whenever you are going to simplify, so you have to remember this order. If you follow this order, you will get the same answers. Otherwise, if you follow your own way, so you may get different kinds of answers. Each one will get different answers. So only the universal rule of simplification of the 4 fundamental operations are BODMAS. Okay? Thank you.